Hey everybody, it's Mr.Del here, and wanted to take a minute to just make sure you understood how to do the blog. So there's a lot of ways to get to it, but the easiest thing to do is if you actually type in my last name, which is Delpriore, the first site will be my website. Usually, it should be in Google. So this is my website, and I changed some things around so you can see everything here. I have the Your Government, Your World, What to Do here in red, and economics class here in blue. So for economics class, guys, if you just want to go, and we're going to have everything on the website. I left the link for the stock market game and the blog page. And then for the Your Government, Your World page, it'll take you right to the blog. The blog is also listed on the side here where it says Your Government, Your World blog. But I relisted it here to make it clear. And then what it is we're going to be looking at the primary sources related to the foundations of our human rights. And what I'd like you to do is to take some time, spend maybe 30 minutes with some things that explain human rights and how we got to thinking about human rights today. And we'll continue thinking about and defining human rights. But I listed and showed you a couple things here. I listed the essential question here. And let me just make sure you can see me okay. 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 So yeah, the essential question is here. The introduction is here. And then the task is that we are going to be looking at primary sources on my website. I listed the link here. I also relisted it here. It's going to be a 30-point activity to create a blog post. And it's going to be due for period 1 on Monday at 11:59 p.m. on the 20th, and for period 3 at Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. on the 22nd. So we have the goal listed. I will post this YouTube video. I had an older one about a different blog, but I'm going to put this one up. And so what you do is when you click on my link, it'll show you here these different pages. So you want to go to different ones. There'll be information in here. Sometimes there'll be videos. These videos are really good. And otherwise, you could just kind of check out articles about it. Or you can just look at just the text itself. You're welcome to go on your own too to look at anything. And then the Petition of Right, the Declaration of Independence, and the Declaration of the Rights of Man, and the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. And there's some other things here. So spend some time with that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to be blogging. And so let me show you what that's going to look like on the blog. So what you do is if you just go down to here and go to comments, make sure that you select anonymous and then put your comment here. And then you'll just put your name and then put in like, your period. And then you could just post it and then hit publish. Okay. Let me ask you if you're a robot. Whoop. No. And then it posts here. And then remember, you need to reply to 2 other people's work. Notice this person here. You also need to select a website that's informational about human rights, and then you need to post some work here. So it should be a thorough, thoughtful piece, and then you need to reply to 2 other people's work. So when you click reply, you're going to put your comment and put your name. So there's that. And then everything's just in the blog here for you. All the directions are here. Everything you need is here. And what you're going to be doing is just answering this question. What is studying the primary sources listed on the website taught you about human rights and the history of human rights? And you're going to post down there below. Don't forget your website explaining something educational about human rights. And then you want to make sure that you look at 2 other students' posts to be sure that you make a thorough, thoughtful reaction to what they say. Not I liked it, but what did I like about it? This is some information on blog expectations and what we're looking for there. So that's it. I hope that explains everything. I can't think of anything else you would need here. but you're always welcome to reach out to me. I hope that helps, and look forward to seeing your post. I will be posting on there too to reply to what you guys are saying and have a discussion with you. So I'm looking forward to that. If you have any questions, hit me up. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.